Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI for research step by step. Whether you're researching for a school assignment, a college project, a business report, or simply learning about a new topic, DeepSeek can help you gather information, organize ideas, summarize key points, and explore different perspectives. It's a great tool for saving time while making your research process more efficient. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to begin a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type your research topic. For this example, type "Research the impact of artificial intelligence in education." Then click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will generate an overview of the topic, explaining the main ideas and important information. If you'd like a shorter version, type "Summarize the research in bullet points," then send the prompt. DeepSeek will organize the key information into easy-to-read bullet points. Next, type "List the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence in education." This helps you understand different viewpoints and create a more balanced research project. If you want to continue exploring the topic, type "Suggest 5 reliable sources for further research." DeepSeek can recommend sources that you can review to learn more and verify information. Remember to review the information carefully and compare it with reliable references, especially for academic or professional work. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can copy the research notes and use them in your report, presentation, or assignment. That's how easy it is to use DeepSeek AI for research. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.